Coming to the community of Valencia and not sure where to stay? Easy. Travel Habitat. Located in Valencia and with ample experience in the sector, we manage properties to turn them into incredible accommodation. We have spacious, fully furnished flats, penthouses, freestanding houses, cottages and studio apartments that will make you feel right at home. We take care of every detail. Our team ensures that you don't have to worry about a thing, whether you come for a few days, a few weeks or to live. The community of Valencia is thriving and open to the future. The climate and the variety of culture and leisure activities make it an ideal destination. And if you're a property owner, breathe easy. We'll take care of everything. Planning a visit? Don't hesitate. Book your stay. Travel Habitat. Be at home wherever you are.